What's up guys, it's your boy Joe Ratchet. I am going to be reacting today to The Weeknd's VMA 2020 performance of Blinding Light. So let's go ahead and get started. Ooh, Blinding Light. Wake up, The Weeknd. Wake up, Mr. Abel. You got a broken nose. Get yourself together. Oh, all I can think of is TikTok right now. Oh shoot, wake up, bro. When you finally wake up and it's 2021. Quarantine's finally over. Just kidding. I love this camera effect. Maybe. Oh. When you go, where is he? Come out. Oh, there you go. Oh my god, are you in Las Vegas? Oh, that's cool. He's doing a performance outside. If it's real. I think it's real. That's pretty badass. Oh, a helicopter? Oh my god. Why? This is pretty. I think he is in Las Vegas. Where is he? Oh, well, because he shot his video in Las Vegas. Duh. This is so badass. Like, yo, the lights. This is a cool concept. Especially for a VMA performance. Okay, maybe not. No, it's definitely not Vegas, but maybe like New York City. Who knows? If you guys know, let me know, because it looks so dope. When I went to Vegas, I did a picture just like him for Blinding Lights. I put my glasses on and headlights and my sunglasses. The helicopter is so unnecessary, but like so extra. Like, I kind of hate it, but kind of love it. New York City! Let's. Oh, shoot! Damn, it's a party up in here. Call Katy Perry because firework, bitch. Oh, damn. Yes, live it up. Ooh, I'm drowning by your love. Blinded. Dope ass job to The Weeknd. Alright guys, well that is my reaction to The Weeknd's Blinding Light. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is my reaction to The Weeknd's Blinding Light performance at the VMAs 2020. Please don't forget to subscribe down below, and I will see you guys next time.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing.